Hello YouTube, it's the next day here. Yeah, there's a door, another door. I gotta raise that up. I got another adapter. But here we got, you guys know what it is? It's a refrigerator. It's the one that I had parked over there. I got it hanging up now. I'll do some cleaning, do some work on it. Some information on it. Circuitry. Alrighty here. Well, I get you back. I got a little bit of help there. Housekeeper's gonna be coming. Might do it. Get a start on it. Yeah. Got the trash bag. Got the comment. See where the wire is? That goes around that plastic piece and it screws into there, but it doesn't want to stay in there very well. So I got some sealer. I can't use that until after. I gotta use some JB weld on it. Then I'll take some electric tape, wrap around that plastic piece to hold it in place, put the screw in that. Alrighty. That's what we got so far. The housekeeper is doing good. Busy doing some laundry and some shopping. I got my grocery cart waiting for the laundry to come back. Alrighty, so we got over there. It's nice over there. There's so many trash over there, so I ain't gonna record too much over there. It's trash, it's sad. Nobody's living there right now, so I have to clean it up one of these days. But anyways, this is my project that I got going on now. Looks kind of funny hanging around. Okay, I'm gonna keep it short here. That's still waiting. They're waiting to take that apart so I can put that stuff into there. Ooh, but I gotta run some tests on it. See if I find out if the magnets are in the right place or not. I ain't too familiar with the magneto. The magnet's got to be at a certain place. There's a positive and negative repel, and if they're not in the right place, it won't work either. So I don't know, maybe because the magnet's mixed up. I don't know. Anyways, that's another project later on this summer. Yeah. I'm using that cart to hold the door up so we can clean it. Ain't too often you get a chance to take it apart, the doors apart, and clean it. Alright, we'll catch you guys later there. You guys stay safe. Peace.